Hello and welcome to this beginner's guide to investing in cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know to get started with investing in cryptocurrency. Before we dive in, it's important to note that investing in cryptocurrency carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for everyone. It's always a good idea to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Now, let's get started. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for secure financial transactions. It's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies available on the market. How do I buy cryptocurrencies? To buy cryptocurrency, you'll need to use a cryptocurrency exchange. These are online platforms that allow you to buy and sell cryptocurrency using traditional currency or other cryptocurrencies. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Before you can buy cryptocurrency, you'll need to create an account on an exchange and provide some personal information. You'll also need to link a payment method, such as a bank account or credit card. Once your account is set up, you can browse the exchange's selection of cryptocurrencies and choose the one you want to buy. How do I store cryptocurrency? Once you've bought cryptocurrency, you'll need a way to store it. This is where cryptocurrency wallets come in. A wallet is a digital storage space for your cryptocurrency. There are different types of wallets, including hot wallets that are connected to the internet and cold wallets that are offline. It's generally recommended to use a cold wallet for long-term storage of your cryptocurrency as it's less vulnerable to hacking. Hot wallets are more convenient for making frequent transactions, but they're at a higher risk of being hacked. If you want to know more about that topic, you will find a video link in the description. How do I invest in cryptocurrency? There are several ways you can invest in cryptocurrency. One option is to buy and hold cryptocurrency for the long term. This means buying cryptocurrency with the intention of holding it for a period of time, potentially months or even years, in the hope that it will increase in value. Another option is to trade cryptocurrency on an exchange. This involves buying and selling cryptocurrency in an attempt to profit from price fluctuations. Trading cryptocurrency can be risky, as the market is highly volatile. It's important to have a solid understanding of technical analysis and risk management before attempting to trade cryptocurrency. What are the risks of investing in cryptocurrency? As with any investment, there are risks involved with investing in cryptocurrency. One major risk is the volatility of the market. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate significantly in a short period of time, which can lead to significant losses if you're not careful. Another risk is the possibility of being hacked. As cryptocurrency is stored digitally, there is a risk that your wallet or exchange account could be hacked, leading to the loss of your cryptocurrency. It's important to make steps to secure your account, such as using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. How do I research cryptocurrency investments? Before investing in cryptocurrency, it's important to do your own research. This can include reading news articles and staying up to date on developments in the cryptocurrency space, as well as researching the specific cryptocurrency you're interested in investing in. It's also a good idea to diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of different cryptocurrencies. This can reduce the risk of significant losses if one particular cryptocurrency underperforms. It's also important to keep track of your investments and regularly review your portfolio. This can help you make informed decisions about when to buy or sell and can also help you identify any potential issues or risks. Conclusion. In conclusion, investing in cryptocurrency can be a potentially lucrative opportunity, but it's important to be aware of the risks and do your own research before making any investment decisions. Start small and invest only what you can afford to lose, and consider consulting with a financial advisor. With careful consideration and due diligence, cryptocurrency can be a valuable addition to your investment portfolio. Thank you for watching this beginner's guide to investing in cryptocurrency. We hope you found it helpful. As always, remember to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Good luck on your investment journey.